how to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard multi-language text prediction on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on More Typing option. After click on More Typing option, you will see multi-language and multi-language text prediction is here. So if you want to turn off multi-language text prediction, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see multi-language text prediction is disabled and turn off. So if you want to turn on multi-language text prediction, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see multi-language text prediction is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off multi-language text prediction from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard multi-language text prediction on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.